Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now many of you keep asking for nice healthy snacks, and today I am going to share two different varieties of sundal recipes. So one is made with the brown chickpeas and the other one we're going to make it with Chana Dal. They're very simple recipes but very tasty. Let's get started and check them out. For the brown chickpea sundal, I've soaked about 200 grams of brown chickpeas overnight. So you can see they've nicely plumped up. Discard all the water, transfer the soaked chickpeas to a pressure cooker, pour enough water, add a little salt, close the lid and pressure cook for about 4 to 5 whistles. To a pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. So I'm going to temper a few ingredients, starting with 1 teaspoon Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, half teaspoon Cumin Seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds. Add a few red chillies cut up. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add half teaspoon of hing, add 2 green chillies chopped, add a few curry leaves. Now add the cooked chickpeas and mix everything nicely. I'm adding about quarter cup of chopped mango pieces. Now this is entirely optional. This will give you a nice tangy flavor. Just mix that in. Just adding about quarter teaspoon of salt. Since we've already cooked the chickpeas with salt, check for seasoning and add the salt accordingly. So finally, I'm going to finish off by adding some fresh grated coconut. So add the coconut and mix everything nicely. So this delicious chickpeas sundal is ready. So you can make something like this for your Navratri and you can serve. This is very simple and very easy to make. For the Chana Dal sundal, take 1 cup of Chana Dal, pour enough water and soak it for 1 hour. So you can see the Chana Dal has soaked for more than an hour now. So next we're going to cook the Chana Dal. To a nice deep pot, pour enough water to cook the Chana Dal. Add the soaked Chana Dal to the water and cook till it's completely done. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything along with the Chana Dal. So if there's any froth that's forming on top, just remove it with a spatula. Strain the cooked Chana Dal and keep it aside. So you should be very careful to cook the Chana Dal so it doesn't become too mushy. To the mixer jar, add about quarter cup of freshly grated coconut, 2 green chillies cut up, a piece of ginger chopped and a few curry leaves. Just pulse it a few times. So you can see I've pulsed it a few times and you'll get this nice coarse mixture. So remove this and keep it aside. To the pan, add about 3 teaspoons of oil. So I'm going to temper a few ingredients, starting with 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Add a few red chillies. Next add a few curry leaves. Add about quarter teaspoon of hing, Asafoetida powder. Now add the cooked dal. Add about half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt according to taste. Just mix that in. So finally add the coarse coconut mixture. This is going to give you a nice flavor, and mix them all in. So here is this delicious and absolutely simple Chana Dal Sundal that can be made very easily. So this is also a very nice recipe for your Navratri. Turn off the stove. So this Chana Dal Sundal is ready to be served. So as you can see, we've made two different types of sundal recipes. They're very healthy and nutritious, and they make for a perfect evening snack. So do try the recipes, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.